Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to block senders and unsubscribe in Gmail quickly. To quickly declutter your inbox, Gmail provides built-in tool to block and unsubscribe from emails without manually searching for tiny links, right? So you have option number one, use the Gmail Manage Subscriptions tool. Gmail includes a dedicated dashboard that lists all your mailing lists and newsletters, sorted by how often they email you. So click the three lines at the top left, right? And you can see here a list of options. Press Manage Subscriptions here. Right? Review the list of active subscriptions and click unsubscribe button beside any unwanted sender. Right? Next, you have the header unsubscribe shortcut. Gmail detects mailing lists and places an official unsubscribe button at the very top of the Gmail, right next to the sender's name. Right? So let me go ahead here to all inbox. This method is much safer than clicking links inside the email body because it doesn't notify the sender that you opened their mail. So you can see here, for example, an email which you can unsubscribe here by using the blue highlighted unsubscribe button and just hit unsubscribe. Basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it. It really helps. And if you want to block an email sender, then open the email from the person or company you want to block. So let's say this one, this individual, right? Hit the three dots next to their name, press block hey OZ, right? If you want to unblock, you can unblock them anytime later. So see you in the next one.